Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am in a Mazda 3. I am still having some issues with my stereo setup that I fixed. And if you can remember in the last video, we went ahead and we replaced the screen. We replaced the control unit. And now I'm going to show you the next problem I have. As the music's playing, as you may already know in some of these Mazda vehicles with the Bose setup, the speaker down here and the one over in the rider's side make a lot of noise and rattle. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove this door panel, and hopefully this will be the last of my audio problems. Alright, let's get started. Alright, there's going to be two screws that you're going to have to remove. The first one is in this door handle. There's a little rubber type thing that you can remove, and you can see that down there. You might want to use maybe a pick like this to get it from the back side and pull it out. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Alright, and as you can see, that other screw. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off. The next step is to kind of grab here on this side and your hand on this side and give the whole panel a little tug. Those two screws are really the only thing that is holding this panel on. So go ahead and do that now. And then of course you're going to have the door handle that will stay in the position. It will just kind of slide out from its slot there. And then you're going to have a couple connectors down here. And then that, take off and set aside. And then you can see the whole panel itself. So I'm going to start to take off the screws around this speaker. We'll take a look at it here when we get it off. I do see the issue right away. And like I said, it's very typical. Rust, moisture will start to separate this. You can see it all the way around. Oh geez, for a good portion of the speaker. So there's going to be a lot to glue up here. So I'm going to get some glue and we'll start gluing away. Alright, I'm going to set this up so hopefully you guys can see this, but I am using speaker glue. You can pick this up for like 10 bucks, 10, 15 bucks at Amazon. There's different manufacturers, but we're going to follow the directions. Press in position with hands after applying the glue for about 10-20 minutes, and then test the sound after about 24 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and see how this performs. And it's really, it's from up here all the way across and down to there. So I'm going to start down here. So what I'll now do is try to put some pressure on this, and that will squeeze that glue out just a little bit. And I got to find something to kind of wedge up in behind here, and I'll see what I can come up with. maybe some soft paper towel here, wad it up like this. That looks like it's really doing the job. It's starting to squeeze this out a little bit. So this one is not as bad as the other side, but it is starting to come off. I'm just going to push it down just a little bit, kind of to break its seal. Find another tool. Just enough so I can get some glue up in there, but not to be too aggressive. All right, I think I got it. Okay, all we're going to do is get that put on there for now. I'm going to test out the radio. Before I go ahead and snap this back on, I'll let you know something, that these plastic clips, they do break. So do expect that you'll probably have a few of these that will break, and you'll need to buy new clips. So that one right there, that one broke. So that one down there, it's a little bit lighter white, did break on me. I did have to replace it. So we're going to see how this goes in. Appeared that somebody had already been working in this door. There's marks right here. So I'm assuming at one time that they were playing around in this door, took this panel off and whatnot. Yeah, they did some really good damage. This is why you don't use metal as a pry bar on metal. You can see all the indents in this area that they tried to, pull this door panel out. So this wraps up this video on fixing these Bose speakers on this Mazda 2014. Now I have a fully functional radio that I can listen to without any issues. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Better yet, subscribe and you get the latest notifications when new videos come out. Hey, I appreciate your support, and if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get to those as soon as I can. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.